Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the important technical analysis technical analysis levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So I'll be talking about the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll be looking at the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies for the immediate few days or for the near future. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you have seen our recent previous videos, we were talking about this thing that the price is basically it will be lying somewhere around here, which means at this particular level, so which is at 18,966, very near to 19,000. So this 19,000 level, we can still take a support, and we can take 20,000 level as the resistance. So basically what is happening with the Bitcoin, the price is basically just trading in a range, and the range is very small, very tight, and you can see the price is just hovering around at 19,000 level. So what you can expect basically from this whole momentum, we can expect till the time price comes back again to 19,000, you will see that the price will reach towards 20,000, and then again you will see a fall till support area. So this is the momentum we are getting in the Bitcoin, and today the price is up, and I think it's up by 2.5%. So we might able to see a level of very near to 20,000 level, and then we will see what's gonna happen. So this is the range, this is the situation which can expect in the Bitcoin in the next few days. And if you look at the Ethereum, so for the Ethereum, you can see the price is lacking momentum again, and the volumes are becoming less and less. Why? Because the price, it was trading at the support level. So this is the support area. Let me zoom it more. So this 1215 level, this is the support area, and I am still taking this level as the support area, because from here the price took a support and again starts moving up. So it's basically trading in a range of 1510, that is acting as a resistance, and 1215. So till the time price is not gaining momentum, the price will trade at this level only, which is at very near to 1300 level. Now again because the price is at the at very near to the support level, we might able to see a level of 1500 as well. So that is the resistance, and there we will see if the price falls, or if the price gives a breakout. So that will be the different story. But for the Ethereum, we can see a range bound situation, and the range is 1510 and 1250. So these are the two cryptocurrencies which we have talked about, and we basically looked at the duration, the particular trend, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So basically what is happening with the cryptocurrencies, that especially if you talk about these two cryptocurrencies, that there is a very lack of momentum, and that happens I think that we are seeing, and from the past few months now. So till the time the situation is something where you will see a good momentum, the price will not move further, it will not move much. So that's the reason you will see that one day you will see a good fall, and then the price will stabilize for some other day, and this is the situation which is happening. So as of now, again the price till the time holds up this support for each of the cryptocurrencies, the price will hover around that, and once we will see that the price breaks that support again, you will see some good downside momentum into these cryptocurrencies. So with that note, if you are liking this video, if you are getting some knowledge, some information from this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also click on the notification bell icon. We'll meet you tomorrow, and we'll see what's gonna happen with these two cryptocurrencies. So till then, happy trading, and thank you so much for watching us.